This March will likely go down as the wettest March on record in at least Providence and probably quite a few other cities in the northeastern United States. Let's take a look at what's going on outside right now. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar showing the heaviest rain working its way into our area once again. You see a lot more yellow showing up, indicating the heavier rain. Green covering everywhere else. Light to moderate rain will continue to fall with occasional batches of heavy rain through the evening, and the worst will likely arrive probably very late tonight and tomorrow morning. Rainfall from the past 36 hours, close to 2.5 inches up there in Smithfield, nearly 2 in Providence, 0.89 in Newport, 1 1/3 inches over there in Westerly. We are going to be seeing a lot more rain, and we do have a flood warning in effect for Monday and Tuesday. We're looking at the possibility for some street and poor drainage flooding. Rivers and streams are what we're watching very closely. Coastal flood advisory is in effect for the northern part of Narragansett Bay, 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. The time of high tide is actually at 8 p.m., but anywhere around the time of high tide, we're looking at the possibility of a storm surge of 1 to 2 feet due to persistent southerly winds piling the water up Narragansett Bay. So communities like Cranston, Warwick, Providence, East Providence, Barrington, Warren, and Bristol could see some minor coastal flooding. The Patuxent River is very close to seeing some minor flooding. It's currently at 8.83 feet. Flood stage is at 9. Minor flooding is expected to begin very shortly. Historic levels are forecasted higher than what we had a couple of weeks ago. 16.1 feet is the forecast by Wednesday morning. The Blackstone River is well below flood stage, but we are expecting minor flooding to begin sometime Tuesday afternoon, and will be near major flooding, or near a major flood stage at Wednesday morning at 15.8 feet. Live city cam picture showing the raindrops continuing to fall. 52 degrees, so at least it's pretty mild. Winds are from the south at around 10 miles an hour. Those winds will continue throughout the night, helping to create that minor coastal flooding in the upper part of the bay. Upper 40s to low 50s across the area. Satellite radar combination showing this pipeline of moisture all the way up into Maine, down the eastern seaboard. It's going to continue through the night. In fact, an area of low pressure will be riding up the coastline, and that will help to intensify the rain very late tonight and during the morning hours tomorrow. Easily 2 to 3 inches more during this time frame, and that's going to only add insult to the injury that we've already gotten. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 neighborhood futurecast shows us nicely. See the periods of heavy rain overnight. Here we are at 8 o'clock in the morning. Notice this batch of purple coming on through. Very heavy rain expected tomorrow morning, and may actually begin to wind down a little bit late tomorrow afternoon and evening. This evening, do expect periods of heavy rain with street and river flooding. Rain heavy at times after midnight. Temperatures will be in the 40s. For tomorrow morning, we're expecting street flooding. There will likely be some stream brook flooding as well at this time. Heavy rain will continue. The heaviest of the rain will be during that morning commute. In the afternoon tomorrow, we'll be finding temperatures in the low 50s with rain continuing. What to expect? 3 to 6 inches of rain total. Historic flood levels are expected Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Once we get by Wednesday morning, the weather is just going to be beautiful into Easter weekend with temperatures into the upper 60s, maybe around 70 degrees. A serious situation over the next 24 hours. We encourage you to listen to the advice of the firefighters. They'll probably be coming around and telling you to evacuate. Medications, food, clothing, that kind of stuff. Take it with you.
Okay, good.
Thanks.